Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to connect Brevo to WooCommerce. If you're new to Brevo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect Brevo with WooCommerce. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both Brevo and WooCommerce from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. If your Brevo account is not already connected to Zapier, you will see a sign-in button here. Click on it. You'll need to input your API key. To find this key, go to your Brevo account, click on your account name, then navigate to SMTP and API, and select API keys. Now, in the top right corner of your account, you will see a button labeled Generate a new API key. Click on it. You can name your API key anything you like, then click Generate and copy the API key. Once you've pasted it into Zapier, simply click Yes, connect to Brevo, and you're all set. Now repeat this process to log into your WooCommerce account by entering your website URL, username, and password. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.